In this video, we'll go over Venus. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year? With the current changes in SEC regulations, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Before we begin, we are having a 900 XLM coin giveaway. To enter, all you need to do is give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, Venus to the moon. And we'll announce the winner on August the 31st. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. Sure, no one really knows what coin can make you an insane return, unless you have inside information or know that you will be promoted at an insane rate. But simply looking at a coin's fundamentals can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom, or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is Venus? Venus is an algorithmic money market and synthetic stablecoin protocol launched exclusively on Binance Smart Chain. The protocol introduces a simple-to-use crypto asset lending and borrowing solution to the decentralized finance ecosystem, enabling users to directly borrow against collateral at high speed while losing less to transaction fees. In addition, Venus allows users to mint VAI stablecoins on demand within seconds by posting at least 200% collateral to the Venus smart contract. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. Venus' main strength is its high speed and extremely low transaction costs, which are a direct result of being built on top of the Binance Smart Chain. The protocol is the first to enable users to access lending markets for Bitcoin, BTC, XRP Litecoin, and other cryptocurrencies to source liquidity in real time, thanks to its near-instant transactions. Customers sourcing liquidity using the Venus protocol do not have to pass a credit check and can quickly take out a loan by interacting with the Venus decentralized application. Since there are no centralized authorities in place, users are not restricted by their geographic region, credit score, or anything else, and can always source liquidity by posting sufficient collateral. These loans are provided from a pool contributed by Venus users, who receive a variable APY for their contribution. These loans are secured by the over-collateralized deposits made by borrowers on the platform. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting $13 by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.